Hello friends, Gopa Chakravarti here again from Greenhouse. Greenhouse is at Kyatala Road now, 452B Kyatala Road. We will be soon opening Tollygunge Metro Station store. So we are all excited about that. Our team is working on that. So please do visit both the stores, whichever is convenient to you. আর গুচ্ছ শাড়ি নিয়ে এসেছি আজকে আমাকে দেখাতে হবে দেখাই the Chanderis are famous from Greenhouse. সাদা চান্দেরি দেখুন সাদা চান্দেরি is difficult to make. Batik on Chanderi, a good quality Chanderi. All throughout the season it can be used. Generally in summers, খুবই comfortable. These are all batik done on Chanderi. Navy blue. This is not black, my dear. These are 2950 with a broad border, broad zari border. The white Chanderi, 2950 with a blouse piece like this. $29.50. The number 21. Plenty of stock in Chanderi. Grab it, dear. প্রচুর স্টক আছে চান্দেরিতে unusual গ্রিন কি সুন্দর গ্রিনটা এসেছে অ্যারেজিং ডিজাইন গ্রিন এন্ড দিস ব্লু ভেরি অ্যাপিলিং গ্রিন ব্লু কম্বিনেশন খুব ভালো লাগে কত রকম কম্বিনেশনস দিয়ে কাজ হয় প্রকৃতিকে ঢেলে সাজিয়েছে Look at this, all butterflies. छोटे छोटे पाता फूल This is the raising design on Chanderi. Our Chanderis are costing $29.50 for the broad border ones, broad zari border ones. I will show you again one other green, other shade of green. They mix colors and make the shades. This is $29.50. Such a happy, cheerful sari, happy sari. This $29.50 for this sari. The raising design, the diagonal one. $29.50 for this sari. Please, dear, do subscribe, like and share my channel. Please do it, dear. This is $29.50 and the fourth one is similar to the first one. This is the fourth sari, little different in color. Number 4 is for $29.50. $29.50. It's another shade of green. $29.50 with the blouse section. Sari number 5. on this burnt red. Oh, this is going away. The burnt red one, 2950. The broad border, down below, and the narrow one upside, narrow one at the top. This is the achal part. This costs 2950, dear. This is on mulberry silk. This costs 3800 only. 3800 for this bright beautiful sari. 3800 for this sari. 3800 for this sari. The sari is like this. Peacock blue inside and the green on the front portion. It doesn't have a blouse piece, dear. This costs only 3800. 3800 for this sari. There is again a bandhej. This is on Gaji silk. Gaji silk number 7. With the zari at the on the achal. Very jhak blue color, beautiful, 6000 only, very good materials. Gaji silk, Gaji silk. This is for 6000 only. 6000 for this Gaji silk. This is only going for 6000. Gaji silk. And this is the blouse to complement with the sari, the blue one. Again batik, greenhouse batik number 8 is Indian pink, deep pink. 4800 for this pink. Silk Bishnupur, heavy quality silk. This is for 4800. Bishnupuri Katan. 4800, dear. Screenshot me, WhatsApp message karo to know about the saris. This is the blouse section. Lovely texture. I assure you, you will get the best. 4800. This is the canary yellow one. Number 9. Sari number 9 is 4600, dear. শাড়িটা দেখুন, especially the color. পরলেই দারুণ, বলে দিলাম, কালার দারুণ, very beautiful. ঝকঝক করবে শাড়িটা পরলে, খুব সুন্দর শাড়ি। And there's a partly portion is done up like this. This is for 4600, dear. 4600 for this sari. The partly portion comes like this in the pleats. The partly portion will come on the pleats. It looks nice. And I'm showing the last one today. End of our program. Number 10. This is all throughout Bangla script and on black and white, very smart combination. The front portion, Aanchal, the other half goes like this, and the other half of the sari is like this. That's all for today, dear. So please visit us. I'm at 452B Keatala Road. I'll be delighted to get you all. Thank you so much.